Hi, good day. I'm Joy Lyon, a hardworking and organized BSBA graduate, major in financial management from Negros Oriental State University. I have good skills in handling records, organizing tasks, and managing time. I always do my work carefully and correctly. I am willing to learn new things and do my best in every task given to me. I completed a 40-hour PICPA accounting and financial management training where I learned how to prepare and analyze financial statements and strengthened my understanding of financial management and business ethics. I also finished a 30-hour taxation and business compliance seminar with DTI and BIR, which helped me understand proper tax filing, accounting documentation, and business compliance. I am dedicated, detailed-oriented, and motivated to apply my knowledge and grow professionally while contributing to your organization. Thank you, and I hope you consider my application.